I want to demonstrate light coming through my seal of my window, which I've already proved that air, noise, and heat and cold is escaping or entering into my condominium through my 4 windows. This is the first one out of the 4. So I'm gonna take my flashlight, and in here, I'm gonna take the flashlight, and I'll put on the other side here, I'm gonna turn this on. Let's cover this up. See? You can clearly see that the ceiling here is really not sealing. And here, I really don't see much of it at all. Let's go down to the next latch. Nothing here. Let's go to here. Let's go down. Oh, yep. You can clearly see that the window is not really sealed very well when the windows are closed for energy efficiency in the bedroom. This is my second window in my other bedroom. Flashlight. And there's a seal in between the windows within this crack here. I'll show this here. Right here, there's a crack here. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here with the flashlight, and you can clearly see it showing through my window here where the seal is. That doesn't seal very well. Let's back up here. Go here. Oh, look at that. That is an opening in there for air to come into my condominium because they're not energy efficient at all down there. My kitchen window, and I'm going to demonstrate there is a space in between the 2 sashes, windows. As you can see up there, that's where the energy was lost with my thermometer going all the way down. And I'm gonna put this camera off. I'm gonna put this off, and I'm gonna turn this on. And you can see the light in between the 2 sliding panels of glass. Get back. See, right up there. Then come down. Let's go back here. Oops. Okay, there we go. Let's go here. Back on target here. Okay, you can see right there. That's my window in the back. And my window in the front here. You can clearly see there's light coming in between the front and back on the top and bottom of the window. That doesn't show a very good seal or any insulation covering those spots for high energy efficiency from these windows. This is my living room window, and I'm going to demonstrate light penetrating between the 2 windows here, the sliders, with my flashlight. Look at that. Oh boy, look at that. Look how much light is coming through this whole window. They just replaced this 2.5 months ago. This is the worst of all the 4 windows. Look how much light comes through this thing. That means there's definitely air and air, noise, and heat and cold transporting between these 2 windows. And this is definitely not energy efficient. This whole seal here is probably the worst one out of the 4 windows. So this clearly shows this window is definitely not energy efficient. Thank you, Home Depot.